Okay, this question asks us, how many grams of calcium carbide are needed to produce 85.3 kilojoules of energy? Now, what they give us is the chemical reaction between calcium carbide and water in order to produce calcium hydroxide and acetylene. And the enthalpy of this reaction is an exothermic reaction. It's a negative 127.2 kilojoules per mole for every reaction. So we know that negative 127.2 kilojoules is the energy change for 1 mole of calcium carbide. What we really need to know is how many moles of calcium carbide are needed to not get 127.2 kilojoules, but instead to get 85.3 kilojoules. So we're just going to do a simple ratio. I'll also show you how to use dimensional analysis to solve this in a moment, but let's do the ratio method first. So I know that we have a negative 127.2 kilojoules per, according to the chemical equation, 1 mole of CaC2. And what we would like to do is figure out for 85.3 kilojoules produced. Okay, the produced means it's negative, it's exothermic also. So I'm going to say for negative 85.3 kilojoules, then we want to know how many moles. I'm going to call that X moles. So if we simply do some cross multiplication where X comes up here and the 127.2 comes below, what we're going to find out is that we get, in this case, the number of moles as 0.671 moles of CaC2. Now, they don't want to know moles. What they want to know is the number of grams. So we're simply going to do a mole conversion here. We're going to take our 0.671 moles of CaC2. Let's go ahead, draw our conversion chart. I'm going to get rid of moles of CaC2 and go to grams. And for every 1 mole of calcium carbide, it has a molar mass of 64.10 grams. The moles will cancel out. We're just going to be left with grams. And if we go ahead and keep 1, 2, 3 significant digits here, I get an answer of 43.0 grams of the CaC2. Now, that's the ratio method. If you like that method and it's working for you, stick with it. If you prefer the dimensional analysis route, that's fine too. Let me show you how that looks. We always want to start with the given information. The given information is 85.3 kilojoules. We have to change that into grams. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to begin by writing my 85.3 kilojoules. Then I'm going to draw my dimensional analysis chart. I want to get rid of kilojoules, so I'm going to put that below. What can I go to from kilojoules? Well, I know it's negative 127.2 kilojoules for 1 mole. So that's the relationship. Negative 127.2 kilojoules for every 1 mole of CaC2. All right, my kilojoules are going to cancel out. Cancel, cancel. Now I'm left with moles. They don't want moles, they want grams. So one more step. Let's go ahead and get rid of moles of CaC2. Go to grams of CaCa2. 1 mole has a molar mass of 64.10 grams. Moles are gone. And if you do the math here, you're going to get exactly the same thing. 43.0 grams of CaC2. I hope that helps. Take care.